Hi, I am Agatha and this is Alma Casa, my channel about being a high-end estate guardian and lifestyle partner for luxury villas here in Tenerife. So I meet new people quite often here on the island, and at some point the question always comes up. So what do you do? And I usually say something like, I'm building a property guardianship and lifestyle partnership business, which fair enough, sounds nice, but it's also a pretty fancy label. And I can see it on people's faces, okay, but what does that actually mean? It's a completely fair question, so let me just clear it up right here. The short version, I am a live-in estate guardian for luxury villas in Tenerife, and alongside that, I run something called property harmony audits for owners and agents. In practice, the live-in part means I actually live in the villa and I am the constant presence there, whether it's the owner coming and going, family, friends, or Airbnb guests. And what that actually looks like day to day. I hold the keys and I am the one who notices if something is off. Whether it's a leak, a broken tile, or anything else, I catch it up before it becomes a real problem. I coordinate the housekeepers, the gardener, the pool guys, so the owner never has to think about any of it. And when the guests or family arrive, I'm the one making sure everything is ready and running smoothly. And here is the part that I think actually makes this different. I have this natural sense for a space. I can feel a property's energy, almost hear its voice. I rearrange furniture, move a chair until it feels right, play with the colors, with scent, with the small things I have carried with me from other chapters of my life, until everything lands exactly where it belongs. I've been doing this in every home I have ever lived in, long before I had a name for it. And it's not just me who notices. Friends, even people visiting for the first time, they often say the exact same thing. It's so cozy here. It feels so much like home. That's really what Alma de la Casa means, the soul of the house in Spanish. And if I am honest, I think I have always been a bit of both things this name asks for. Someone who inspires and elevates a space just by being in it. And someone who quietly protects it, watches over it. A muse and a guardian angel at the same time. That's the energy I bring it to every home I take care of. Structure and soul together. If this resonates, subscribe, and if you think someone else should see it, share it, drop a like. And if you would like to reach out, all my contact details are right there in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.